Na
po eh.
makikita nyo rin naman po dito sir, yung mga nakuha. This one sir sa information button,
Yan.
the tips in PM2, PM10, the pollens, the HAHO, the others sir, also for the bygones, the lysols.
Aha.
VOC, this one sir for the chemicals.
Aha.
Kaya nyo na rin i-purify for the alcohols. Yeah. The NO2 for engine.
Aha.
Kaya nyo na rin po mag-purify. And also if nagluluto po kayo, the smoke of the
Kitchen.
yes po, kaya na rin niya po i-purify. And also the temperature of the room, kaya nyo na rin po na-detain. And also the humidity. Meron na din po. And also for the filter life po. Diyan na rin na siya makikita if palidin na yung purify na.
Humidity, nakukuha niya.
Yes po. Nadedetect lang niya sir yung humidity.
Ah.
Kung mataas o mababa pa rin.
Yes po. And also the temperature of the room. Kaya niya na rin na. For this one sir. This one yung ating top of the line, the tipid mode sir. It comes with the formaldehyde. Then also, may diffuse mode din siya. If ayaw mo po na may air, gusto niya lang po but still purifying, pwede po siya. Without air.
Mhm.
Kaya pa-purify siya. But if you want po with air, tanggalin lang natin diffuse mode, it comes with air na still purifying. And then the oscillation up to 350 degrees. 45, 90, 180, and 300.
Ganda. Ito pwede pa. Pwede mo control.
Then for the speed of pan